Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at question number 1 for Classrooms of the Future. So the question says, how do paragraphs 4 through 6 support the author's position about online learning? So I've already read the article and I have annotated. So I'm just going to go back to paragraphs 4 through 6 and see what I annotated and what the author's position about learning was in those paragraphs. So, looking back, I made an annotation to myself that her claim or position about online learning was that it's very beneficial. So, she gave us a lot of different ways that virtual school and online learning could be a good thing for students. So, now that I know that her position is on the side of virtual learning, how do those paragraphs support her position? Well, I know that I left myself a few notes about people, like important people in the world, are helping fund online schools because of its success. So in paragraph 6, we also got some statistics about a school in Florida who actually had the highest scores than, or higher scores than other public schools. So she's kind of giving us some information to just back up and support her claim. So I'm going to read you all the answer choices. I'm not going to give you the answer because you're going to find it on your own. But A says, by explaining how online classes have become part of the educational system. B says, by providing information about the U.S. Education Secretary Arne Duncan. C says, by explaining why Bill Gates supports the development of online schools. And D says, by providing evidence that online classes are valuable to students' education. So think about what you read in paragraphs 4 through 6. You may have to even reread them again. And then decide how are those 3 paragraphs supporting the author's claim that online school is beneficial for kids. Okay, so go ahead and close this video and then write your new answer on the spreadsheet.